Well, hi everybody and welcome back here in another 360-degree video from another workshop. So I was thinking, well, I'm in another workshop and why not make another video? Well, what I'm gonna do this time is, last time in the last video I mentioned if somebody got a question about something to want to know how some things are made or whatever, that you can write it in the comments. So actually there were one person and he asked me if I can show a combination of crimping and swaging. Well, that's what I'm also gonna do and show in this video. I already started a little bit, so just to save time for this video I'm not gonna do as too long to take. So this is a combination. I already started, like I've said. Here you see it's the crimping part. Here we got a female swage, male swage, and yeah, I'm gonna show how I did it. First, I've got these swage wheels number 3. It's a diameter. We have here a diameter from 370 millimeter with a radius of 300, and I gave for the swage 2 times 15, so I have 30 mil for the swage. I gave extra. So it's a 4-part segment, so that means three parts in the middle, the starting segment and the end segment. So next, from this till the angle here from the under wheel where he is, the swage, I'm gonna give him 15 millimeter. So we have here 15 and until the middle of the middle of the wheel above is 21. So now I'm gonna put this here in, and I'm gonna do first the female switch. So I'm not gonna go real deep as with a normal swage. Well, it depends how everybody does it, maybe different, but that's the way I do it. So now we're going to the crimping wheels. The crimping wheels on this machine, I have here 15 millimeter, almost 16. So you don't have to crimp the whole side, so because this part doesn't need to crimp because it's already a little bit inside. So I'm gonna only crimp from here. And then, just like swaging, you put a little bit down, go back, so now you can see here how it goes down. That's the crimping part. So now we're gonna go to the male swage, and again take my ruler. From the male swage I'm doing from this till the middle part of the wheel 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter we have here. So now I'm taking this one. So I've started with the female swage also as here, so I'm gonna start again with the male swage at the same position. And now I've given, well, when it is an hour, it's 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna 10 minutes past 12 put it. So it's not much. Okay, yeah, again, when you got some waves, a little bit more. Right, now I'm gonna put them together. So this is only just to show how it is done. So as you can see, again, I hope this answered the question. If not, well then try to explain it again, and I'm gonna do it again until we know what we want. And this is the end part. I already swayed it. Like I said, it's the same, only I'm not gonna do the whole band to repeat it just to save time. And here we've got the last one. And the band is done. "90 degrees. Okay, well, I don't know if you can look inside from here. Here. Well, that was a video then about the combination of swaging and crimping. So if there are any things for somebody else want to know how and what, just leave it in the comments and we will see what we can do about it. So see you next time.